Hey guys, so I just got verified on YouTube, right? The little check mark that you see on YouTube, that's on your screen right now. I just got verified, and in this video I'm going to be showing you like exactly what I did to get verified on YouTube, right? So you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. Now before we jump right into this video, my name is Gerald. I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things how they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done, and the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. So I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and most importantly turn on the bell notification button, right? So that said, let's go to my screen right now. Let me show you guys exactly how to get verified on YouTube, guys. Let's go. Okay, so what you need to do is to come to this this URL here. I'm going to put it in the description box below. It's going to be right there, right? So once you come here, you hit apply. Now if you look at this, you're going to see your channel is eligible for verification. If you see a check mark on your channel homepage, your channel is already verified. Verification check mark don't appear on mobile. If you don't see a check marks on your channel homepage, you can submit a request for channel verification. Apply now. So this is where you want to go. Apply now, right? I'm going to hit apply now, right? I'm putting my channel name. My channel name is Online Hustle space TV. Channel ID. Let me show you guys how to get a channel ID. Right, so you see it says congrats on reaching 100,000 subscribers. You're eligible to submit a request for channel verification, and that's what I want to do right now. So if I come to my channel here, right, and I copy this ID. This is the channel ID, this thing right here, this channel ID. I'm just gonna copy it, Control C, or I can right click and hit copy, whichever. It's completely fine. So I highlight, right click, and copy. Right, then I come back to this place and put in my channel ID right here. Right, it says if you don't know it, you can find it here. Your channel ID, you can find it here. All right, so you can click here and it's going to you can get your channel ID from here. So this is channel ID. You can copy it from here. You can hit copy and copy it from here, basically. Right, so I'm gonna come back here. And okay, so this is the same thing that we copied earlier. Control V. That's something we copied earlier. So I'm just gonna come down here and hit submit. Right, so I hit submit and you wait for YouTube to go to do their check and stuff and verify us. So let's hit the submit button here and wait. So your email has been sent. Thanks for completing the channel verification application. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Over the next several weeks, we'll take a look at the info you provided and get back to you. Right, so we wait. So guys, as soon as we applied, an email was sent to us. This is the email right here from YouTube. So let's click on this and take a look at it. Okay, this is the email here. It says, thank you for your request to verify your YouTube channel. Once you've reviewed your application, you will hear back from us with a decision. Note that our reviewers try to get through applications as quickly as possible, but delays can happen because we have a limited number of reviewers. We know this is important to you, and we'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Visit blah 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 and blah 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 and all of that, right? So if you go back right here right now, you're going to see another email that was sent to us by YouTube. This is it right here. This one right here. It says your account channel verification badge has been approved, right? And this happened in just a few minutes. So it says, hello, thanks for your patience while we looked at into your request. We've successfully verified your YouTube channel. Your channel will remain verified unless you change your channel name. If you change your channel's name, the renamed channel won't be verified and you need to reapply. In the next few days, you will see a check mark next to your channel name. Currently, the verified badge doesn't show everywhere, like on mobile devices, but we are working to fix that. All right, so let's go to YouTube right now. And this is my channel, and look at the check marks right here. It says verified, right? This is verified. And note, guys, that you can only do this when you've gotten to 100,000 subscribers. That's the only time you're qualified to actually get verified on YouTube, guys, right? So if you got anything from this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button, right? Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you, guys.